Hello everybody, this is Tony at Mango Manor. And the subject that I'm going to talk to you about today is watering. Many people keep asking me, well, how do you water here at Mango Manor? You know, because it's very important. And I'll tell you this. We use a sprinkler system year round. And from April 1st, really all the way to November 1st, we water 3 times a week, morning and at night. And it gets about a half inch every time. Now, if it rains a long time, we shut our water off for a couple days or whatever. You know, we don't let them get extra water. So we make sure that we watch how much it rains, so that whether we have to turn it off for a while or whatever. But in the winter, I'm going to do something different this year. I'm going to stress our mangoes out. And how am I going to do that? In the backyard, I'm going to turn off the sprinkler system October 1st all the way until they flower, which is in December. And we're going to see if that doesn't change anything and see how many mangoes we get this year. Normally, I let it run the same way all year long, but I'm going to change it up this year and we'll see what happens. But anyways, if your tree is sitting in water, that's a no-no. Mangoes do not like water. Our property sits on a hill, so everything runs away from our property, all the water. No water sits here. So just remember that. Wherever you plant your mango tree, make sure you plant it in an area where there's not a lot of water, or when it rains, water doesn't sit there for days and days and days. All right, everybody. This was Tony at the Manor of All Mangoes. If you ever have any other questions, please make sure you put it in the comments, subscribe, tell your friends, and if you love the videos, let us all know. Thanks for watching.